Happy evening. Hi, hello everyone. This is Bharat, Physical Education Coach from Sri Shakti International School. Team India in Tokyo Olympics. In this video, we are going to see our men and women in blue. This will be the 20th Olympic game for our men's hockey team, whereas the women will be participating for the third time in the Olympics. For the first time, 3 Indian swimmers are going to participate in this Summer Olympics. And also, we'll have a short look on the participants participating in table tennis and sailing.
Eight times Olympic champion. 2016 to 2017 World League medalist. 2018 Champions Trophy medalist. 2018 Asian Games medalist. 2017 Asian Cup champion. 2018 Asian Champions Trophy winner. This will be the 20th Olympic Games list to feature the Indian men's hockey team, while the women's side will be making their third appearance and second in succession. 2016 Asian Champions Trophy winner. 2018 Asian Champions Trophy silver medalist. And next, Netra Kumaran is the first Indian woman to qualify for the Olympics and also the first Indian sailor to get a direct entry into the Summer Games. Netra Kumaran is an experienced sailor. She has represented India at both the 2014 and 2018 Asian Games. Her best finish was a fourth in the 2018 edition in Jakarta, Indonesia. And next, Vishnu Saravanan, the young army sailor who is creating waves. His talent soon came to fore, and under the guidance from his father, young Vishnu soon rose to prominence in laser standard category, winning medals in junior national and youth national championships. Internationally, he won silver at the Hong Kong Sailing Week 2016. Hailing from a sailor's family, Vishnu Saravanan has trained in Malta for the past 2 years in order to bag a ticket to the Tokyo Olympics. And next, KC Ganpati made his international debut in the year of 2010 at the Asian Sailing Championship, where he finished 8th in the Optimist event. KC Ganpati qualified for his debut Olympics Games 2020 in sailing after finishing first position in the 2021 Musannah, Oman. Varun Thakar and KC Ganpati now will represent India team at the Skiff 49er event in sailing at the 2021 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. And next, Sajan Prakash, who specializes in freestyle, butterfly and medley events. At the 2015 National Games in Kerala, he set a record on the 8th of February 2015 by winning 6 gold and 3 silver medals, and became the best athlete of the Indian National Games, held at Trivandrum, Kerala. He competed at the Rio 2016 Summer Olympics in the 200-meter butterfly event. He became the first ever Indian swimmer to breach the FINA Olympic qualification time when he clocked an Indian national record time of 1:56.38 in the 200 meters butterfly event at the 2021 Sette Colli Trophy in Rome. With this time he qualified for the 200 meters butterfly event at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. And next, Srihari Nataraj. In 2019, He represented India at the 2019 World Aquatics Championships in Gwangju, South Korea. He has qualified for Tokyo Summer Olympics after FINA approved his A-standard qualification time in men's 100 meters backstroke time trial at the Sette Colli Trophy in Rome. And next, Mana Patel started swimming when she was 13. She participated in the 40th Junior National Aquatics Championship in Hyderabad, breaking the national record held by Shikha Tandon at the Asian Age Group Championship in Tokyo in August 2009. She was selected for the Olympic gold quest in 2015. She has won 6 medals at the 10th Asian Age Group Championships 2019, which was held in Bangalore. And now she has qualified for Tokyo Summer Olympics. And next, Satya Gyanasekaran, currently ranked at 32 in the world as of April 2020. He was a member of the Indian team that took the bronze in the 2011 Junior World Championships. In May 2019, he attained his career best world ranking of 24 and became the first Indian paddler ever to break into the world top 25 ITTF rankings. And now he has grabbed the quota for the Tokyo Olympics. And next, Achanta Sharath Kamal is a professional table tennis player from Tamil Nadu, India. He is the first Indian table tennis player ever to become 9 times senior national champion, hence breaking the record of 8 times national champion Kamlesh Mehta. In 2019 he was received the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian award. His ITTF world ranking is 32 as of May 2021. Sharath won the men's singles gold in the 16th Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship held at Kuala Lumpur in 2004. He is a recipient of the Arjuna Award for the year 2004. And next, Manika Batra as of November 2020. She is the top-ranked female table tennis player in India and ranked 63rd in the world. She specializes in playing long pimples on her backhand, a rubber which is not often played by top players. She received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2020. And next, Sutirtha Mukherjee is an Indian table tennis player. She has won National Table Tennis Championship and also was a part of gold medal winning Indian women's team at 2018 Commonwealth Games. She has qualified to represent India at the 2021 Summer Olympics.